they're scamming us. So yeah, that's it. Alright guys, what's good? What's good? So I'm just gonna be completely honest, like I haven't really been making YouTube videos because, you know, the pressure is there to look perfect, to have your makeup done. Well, I'm over it. Like, I'm over trying to be perfect, like what freaking society tries to make you be. So this is me. This is how I went to school today. This is me pretty much every day. Pulled out some of my hair, but that's fine. I really don't care. I freaking went to school in some Nike sweatpants and this shirt. So I don't care. Alright. I've been getting some nasty comments, and you know what? I hope you're freaking watching this because I'm pissed, whatever. But you know what? It takes a lot to put yourself out there, and it takes a lot to make YouTube videos, so I want to see you do it. But whatever. That's fine. Just had to say that. So today I'm doing a Fashion Nova like haul, and I bought 2 times from them before. Mainly jeans because, you know, I'm pretty curvy. I have a big butt, little waist, so obviously I see all the Instagram posts and whatever. So I'm actually pretty pissed at what I got. So these are the 2 pairs of jeans that I bought before, like a while ago. Like I'm saying, I think it was 2 Christmases ago. Maybe a little after, I don't know. But anyways, these are perfect and they make my butt look really good. But these are more jegging material. Like, I don't know. You get like, you see? It's kind of loose, whatever. So these ones are the classic high-waisted jeans. And let me stress this. Look at the tag. Fashion Nova and the United States flag. Okay, repeat. These are the ones that I bought before. This is the other pair that I bought before with the tag Fashion Nova. And oh, well, these don't say made in the US, but I just want to show you that it has the Fashion Nova little tag. And these are distressed, whatever. I don't remember what these ones are called, but these ones are the classic high-waist jeans that you see every Instagram model in. So I love those jeans so much. I bought a second round, and this time I bought 5 jeans. And the reason why I'm pissed, when I got these, I smelled like a familiar scent. And I don't know, like, I live in California, so I go to downtown LA sometimes, and I remember one year my mom took me school shopping there, and I got some jeans. Well, these smell like the jeans from LA, right? So I'm super happy to get them because they're Fashion Nova, name brand, you know. And this time, it came with all of these tags, okay? Like, wax jean, butt lift, want a better butt? Like, all of these tags and stickers, and it was ridiculous. Like, look at, you know what I'm saying? But the reason why I'm pissed is because I didn't get these the first time with the other 2 pairs of jeans. And I think they're the original Fashion Nova jeans. See, like, there was just so much crap on them. And I kept a pair to show you what I meant. Oh, okay, so look at it. These are from Wax Jeans. That is the brand. And I get it, like, they get distributors or whatever, but I paid like $20 per pair of jeans. Okay, look at wax jean, wax jean, wax jean, like all of these tags, right? And oh, and look at the tag. So since we're emphasizing on these are like jeggings too, but they're a little thicker. Like, all of these are pretty thick, okay? But the reason why, like, I'm mad, like I said, I'm from California. I researched wax jeans, and it even says waxjean.com, Los Angeles, California. Okay, and this is before, like, I put it together. Like, freaking YMI Jeans. And they even have their Instagram. Like, I'm just mad because I spent $20 per pair of jeans thinking I was gonna get those ones that I bought before, right? If I knew that these were from LA, I could have easily drove over there, found them, probably got them like 3 for $20, 4 for $25, you know? And they're all the same. Like, look at, these are B.O.B jeans. So I think I'm just mad because I get it. Fashion Nova is booming right now. Like, they're getting all these customers. Look at U.W.J jeans, but none of them say Fashion Nova jeans, and it pissed me off because they're the same price as the first ones I bought. I'm just pissed because I literally could have went to downtown LA if that was the case. Like, if you're not from California, I get it. I totally get it. Like, then buy them from Fashion Nova, but I'm just saying, if you are from California, like, they're literally just buying these in bulk and selling them and selling them on their website, and they still come with all these tags. And this is exactly how it is when you buy crap from LA. Point blank, period. Like, and oh damn, I just dropped the tag I was about to show you. But literally, like, I didn't even, this tag was only on one of the, I think 4 or 6, no, I bought 5 or 6 pairs of jeans. Look at, this was the only thing that said Fashion Nova on it. And it just says the price of the jeans, and that was only on one. So, do I like these jeans? I love them. They still make my butt look big. They fit perfectly around the waist. I'm not going to try them on for you. They're skinny on the waist and big on the butt. They don't make me feel like I'm suffocating. Like, they fit me perfect. They're not too high-waisted, because the classic high-waisted jeans literally, like, go up to my bra line. Like, they're perfect. They're, like, right below my belly button or right on top of my belly button. Like, they're absolutely perfect, okay? But it's just, if I knew that I could have just found them in LA, I would have gone and got them like 4 for $20 instead of $20 each, $24 each, you know? And they're different. These are completely different. They smell different. The material's different than the original 2 that I bought. And that's what I'm stressing. Like, these are clearly from other brands, and these ones say fashionnova.com. Like, I just feel like they're going the cheaper route now, and they're making money off people, rightfully so from a business aspect, but that's how I feel about them. Like, I don't know, that's just how I feel. So there's that. Take it how you want it. The jeans are good, they're thick, they fit good, but I'm just saying, if you're from the California area, girl, take your butt to downtown LA, just one trip, and go find some of these jeans. B.O.B Jeans, YMI Jeans, Wax Jeans, those are the brands that they are, and they're great. And Fashion Nova is just buying them in bulk and selling them back to you guys for a way more expensive price. So, like I said, if you're not from California, I'm sorry. I'm not going to tell you to fly out to LA and come buy some jeans, but if you are from California, girl, just go and get them because it's worth it. So I have my receipt, so I'll list the jeans that I bought down below. These jeans, that is, that are from brands that are not fashionnova.com. But yeah, so overall, just pissed because I feel like I got ripped off. They're good jeans. Like I said, they're thick, they fit great. But, you know, if this at least changes one person's viewpoint, like, I hope it does at least touch one person, because they're scamming us. So, yeah, that's it. So, thanks for watching. If you haven't yet, subscribe. I'm going to post more often because I don't care, dude. Like, this is my YouTube. I'm supposed to be who I am, and this is who I am, and I don't care. Okay? And if you're gonna make nasty comments, go ahead and make nasty comments. I don't even care, because you watch my video. That's all I gotta say. Peace.